Hello, uh, let's discuss the project. It's a learning purpose. First of all, we will overview the project. Doing the it's a factory software and it's a smart conveyor project. So let's take it. Here is the file conveyor. First one is the entry conveyor, from which the box will be entered. Next is the weighing conveyor. So here the weight of the box will be done and data will be saved in it. Then decision conveyor. Here the as per the box weight, decision will be done. The box will be passed to the exit conveyor or the reject. So it is the pusher which will be done the reject of the box. It is the robo arm which we can box the box. So let's start the first. So working we will later discuss the code. Here is the control panel. So here is the weight of the box will be available, and from the HMI, so we can select the small box. So acceptable range is the 3 to 6 kg only. So 7.5 kg box will be rejected and the small box will be passed. The box reject count will be updated here and its weight will be updated here, and accept count will be updated here. So right now the bigger box is rejected as we have selected the recipe of small box. Let's now select the large box. The acceptable range is 6 to 8 kg. So now big box will be accepted and small box will be rejected. So it's now small big box will be accepted. As its weight is 7.5 kg, so in range, and small box is a weight of the 4 kg, so it is out of the range, so it will be rejected. So now let's look onto the it's have a detection logic and control logic of the traffic. So if any of the box will be stuck, so PLC will be data can generate the alarm. Let's make it demo. Let's assume I have stuck the box. The alarm will be generated. Decision conveyor is jam and robotic is stop. So first of all, we have to reset the alarm. reset it, reset from the HMI. Now, once now system is working properly. So it's have a proper alarm system. If any of the box will be jammed, it will be detected. And it's fully update the reject box, except box found its weight, and it's in the real application of the industry. The data will be saved in the any kind of SQL or any kind of database of the company as like SAP ERP. So here I have changed. Each box value will be generated here. Data will be stored inside the register and passed through the conveyor to conveyor. So it's a actual logic video apply in the company. Now let's look into the code. So this is a structured programming block. First of all, PLC tags. So the project, here is all the actual tag input will be generated as like we have used in here. So it will be properly tagged at here with name, and it's actual with input. So we are directly using the program. So first of all, we have need to do IO mapping. So for it, dB of IO mapping, it will be generated. Here is the first structure inputs, outputs, and here is the functions. So actual tag will be mapped into the DB. So input mapping and output mapping to function, which will be called at a system OB main. And let's call it here. So here is the all the programs. The main bigger logic we have to learn the proper structure. For the we have the PLC data. UDT will be defined of alarm box and box will be reusable. And in global DB, we have separate DB for alarm, where data, system status, different like FB for a motor conveyor. It is the main FB block inside which enter the step logic of the conveyor return. So it will be the reusable in the four time for the in each conveyor. It's proper step based as a case of zero, which condition step one zero. It will be ready for because the blocks. Then step 10, but like all the logic will be written at here. And it's a robot pick time place robots step logic SCL code. And here is the FC, which is different kind of FC, which will be for charm detection, weighing scale transfer, startup logic, lamp detection, HMI interface, clear. HMI interface is the we have I have generated a separate DB file alarm and HMI, so it will be not mismatch the data. And here the application blocks where the all the FD instance DB will be saved, and it's proper working. So in the HMI, main thing is the screens. There is a two screen. First of all, the root screen, and another is alarm screen. So alarm will be defined at here. It's a discrete type alarm, and for it, I have used it for one word. Let's see, DBH alarm. So in that word, here is the HMI alarm. The word. So it every bit there is a one alarm will be defined, and it will be read at HMI. So it's all alarm HMI, and there is another is the recipe. As we have select the small box or big box, so it is defined by the recipe. So if there is a one recipe box selection, and it's a lower limit, higher limit. It will be saved in the batch data low and high limit. And there is a two order small box. So low limit will be 3 kg to 6 kg, and for the large box 6 kg to 8 kg. And it is called at the button on the on click event of the button. Okay, select small box and launch. Here, and the event of click, I have to select the recipe. So it's the working of the project. You may check the code at the GitHub. I will share it. So it's my project. I am learning PLC. So you can also learn from it.